Picking stage laser light is a challenge, especially when you have to choose one out of many. Even we were overwhelmed while making a list. There are so many manufacturers offering almost similar lights. There are many products available to choose from best stage laser lights, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best stage laser lights from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cine laser lights. The coverage area is a key factor when choosing laser lights. And if you are planning to use lights for bars, pubs, lounges, weddings, and so on, these events have large areas. You may need several laser lights to cover it, but with single Cine laser light, you can cover twice as much of the area. This particular unit is widely popular because it not only has all the features that could make the party rock, but does handles the workload of a couple of laser lights. Using different color and gobos combinations, it creates 128 different patterns. The single unit alone covers almost 2500 sq feet. During tests, we stretch the lights to maximum distance. Even at 50 feet, the patterns are clear. It comes with an IR remote. Using the remote, you can control the rotation speed, light intensity, mix sensitivity, etc. As far as cinching with music is concerned, it uses a powerful voice-activated sensor that captures the sound and controls the light according to the music. We played almost all kinds of music, almost all the time. Lights gelled with the music perfectly. Number 2. Cine Mini Portable. Most of the laser lights that we have tested need to be fixed. But the party is something that can happen anywhere and at any time. In 5 such situations, portable laser light could be handy equipment. Cine Mini Portable Cordless Laser Lights is one of the best portable laser lights that we tested. It is light, compact, and effective. It is a very small unit that can fit right into your hand. Change it uses the battery. You can set this laser light anywhere you want. Since it is a portable and small unit, we were curious to know how good it is. Unlike any other laser light, it uses only 2 types of colors. Red and green are used to create different patterns. In terms of patterns, we didn't find many variations, but whatever images it made are clear. The best projection distance for the light is 50 meters. Though it is a compact light, it does have a voice-activated sensor. If the sound source is clear, the light effects are perfectly synced with the music. Number 3. Summer Professional DMX 512. If you are someone who owns a commercial entity like a pub, bar lounge, or restaurant, or you are a professional DJ, you need a professional-grade laser light. Summer Professional DMX 512 is the best party laser light for professionals. All professionals use a DMX controller to control all the light equipment, and it is compatible with the DMX controller. It is fully certified by the FDA, FCC, and C, and ensures safety and quality. Since light is made for covering large areas, it has powerful lasers. It uses all 3 red, green, and blue. When we were testing this unit, we observed that the coverage area of the light is more than 2500 square feet. Even at a distance of 70 meters, the quality of the projection was really good. You can control different modes manually and remotely with a DMX controller. It also has voice-activated sensors to sync the lights with music. Among all the units that we have tested, this particular laser light has very good sensors when it comes to syncing light effects with the music. Number 4. Gel 4-in-1. Some lights are used to create a party environment, and some are required for creating an ambience for the occasion. The Gel 4-in-1 is perfect if you want to create an ambience. It supports DMX control, which is the best way to mix the lights and create the ambience. We like the way it is designed. It is a little different than other lights that we have tested. There is a mix of LEDs and laser lights to provide different kinds of patterns. The unit is the whole lighting setup in one. It is multifunction light, which includes red-green effects, strobe, pattern, and sword butterfly light. Everything is controlled by DMX. When it comes to modes, it has a sound-activated auto mode and master slave. Using the remote, you can easily switch between different modes. The coverage area for the light is 2000 sq feet. And patterns projected by the laser lights are clear up to 50 meters, and beyond that, they fade out. Number 5. Chim's DJ Laser Light. When you have a light that dances to the music, it is the most effective light. Chime's DJ Laser Light uses a sound sensor to sync the lighting effects with music. This is why we believe it is one of the best stages of laser light. In addition to the sound sensor, the pattern and different effects make it one of the versatile lighting devices. Looking at the design and features, it can be used for parties, weddings, birthdays, Christmas, and so on. It can be installed like any standard laser light. If you have the right setup, it hardly takes a few minutes. Red, green, and blue are the basic laser lights that can form 96 images. During testing, the best projection was observed at a distance of less than 50 meters. The quality of the patterns and images is good. It also works best in a foggy environment. Even when there is a lot of fog, light produces good and powerful effects. You can switch between different modes using the remote. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.